be on your screen. There we go. And looks like things are going. So we do have someone joining us by telephone. Their number ends in 004. And just so you know, for members of the public, feel free to observe. We will be taking public comments at the end. So if you're on the phone, you'll need to unmute your phone. I can't do that for my end, but I'll let you know when the time for that will be. Okay, it looks like we're got everyone settled in here. And so for the utility, if you guys could turn your cameras on. Melanie and did we lose Sherry? Oh, there she is. Okay. Dennis, just checking in. Are you connected with the utility or are you a member of the public? Your microphone's not connecting yet. So, oh, there we go. Yeah, hi Dennis. Can you just let me know if you're with the utility or a member of the public? And I can unmute you. There we go. You're unmuted.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. So just checking, are you connected with the utility or a member of the public? Oh, still don't see Sherry. Sherry, can you get it doesn't look like you have a camera. Is that right? You'll need to unmute there we go. So Sherry, I see you there. You're connected on audio connection. Can you hear me? Sherry, can you hear me? Oh, don't make me sing Frankie Valli. We are going to need you to respond. I'm going to be asking you a few questions. I don't know if you had anyone had this problem with Sherry's connection before. You can call in if you're having trouble with your computer.
Yeah, and I'm going to need her to answer because I certainly don't have the answer she does. I guarantee you.
Okay, we're not seeing that. Well, let's see.
Oh, so she's calling me. Let me see what's going on here.
All right, that'll help.
Sherry.
If it helps, I'll be able to attest to most of it other than maybe the hearing, but I bet you I posted the hearing online too.
You can hear them, but they
Okay.
can't hear you.
Yeah, I don't know if this person's got questions. I'm not sure what he's talking about.
I think he might be a board
Right,
member.
let me see what they want to do.
I'm sorry, what? A board member? Yeah.
So Sherry can hear you, but
Okay.
she can't get her. She can't speak to you, and she
Okay.
tried to call in, and the same result.
That's strange. Okay, well, let me ask you, Dennis, since I got you here. So you're a board member of the village? Is that
Village president, board member.
Okay. So you just mentioned you might have questions for Sherry. And I don't know if we're gonna be able to hear her. I think Melanie said she could probably verify all the documents filed in the case. Is there something you have, if you have a question, do you think you could address it to Melanie, the consultant, or do you think you need to talk to Sherry about that?
Well, Sherry's the go-to here, so I feel like I probably won't have anything I can contribute. I'm more or less just wanting to sit in and listen in on this.
Okay, I see. All right, so if that's the case,
Sherry, no, why don't you have Sherry just call me on my phone?
Okay.
And I can, that way if she has some concerns, I guess I'll just relay them. Or you can relay them, Dennis, if she can hear.
Sherry, if you want to just call Melanie and with a phone call, you could do that, or unless you can hear over the phone what they're saying from my computer.
Yeah, I can hear from the computer. They just can't hear me.
Right.
Okay.
Or the Zoom.
Well, I think it'll work if you could speak through the phone. Somehow we're not getting feedback, which I thought would happen as soon as you connected her. But so if it's working, we'll just go with it. I'll just have Melanie verify the documents to avoid any confusion there. And then yeah, if Sherry needs to chime in, we'll let her do that over the phone the way it's set up right now. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. So we're on the record here, docket 4450 WR104, the application of the Village of Orfordville for authority to adjust water rates. My name is Michael Newmark, Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We're connected through Zoom, and we have invited the public to attend, as well as in attendance is the utility, its consultant, and commission staff. We're here today to create the record in the case. That'll be the documents we identify as exhibits under oath and any comments we receive live from the utility, commission staff, and members of the public who wish to comment. There's also a process by which the public can comment in writing. That's been displayed in the commission's notice of hearing and the utility's notice to customers. Basically, it's filing on the commission's website or mailing the comment to us. Those are the two ways you can comment in writing. And the details on how to do that are in the notice. So what we do with the record, and the record will also will also contain the recording of the hearing that's going to be saved on our YouTube channel. What we do with the recording is provided to the decision maker in the case, and that's Andy Galvin, the Division Administrator for the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis. So Division Administrator will review the record, and then an order will issue based on that decision. It'll be emailed to the utility and posted on the commission's website. So that's our basic process. We do have the documents identified for the record by commission staff through an email that I'm going to display here on the screen share. So we have 11 documents filed by the utility and 2 from the commission staff. So in terms of the utility exhibits, I believe we'll have the consultant, Melanie Lendowski, verify those. So I'll swear you in. And you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, just give us your name and title for the record, please.
Melanie Lendowski, and I'm the consultant for the Village of Orfordville.
All right. Can you see the screen share?
Yep.
So we have 11 documents filed by the utility. Are you familiar with those?
Yes, I am. I think I filed them all.
Okay, great. So are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
They are.
Okay. And do you have any comments?
I do not.
All right. So does anyone else wish to speak on behalf of the utility? So that would be Dennis or Sherry. Any comments? No? All right. And then we'll move on to commission staff. So revenue requirement exhibit, that's Amanda Slaughter. So we'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
And we have the revenue requirement exhibit. Is that complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any comments?
Yes, just one. The staff's exhibit did request that the utility make adjustments to the 2023 PSC annual report and refile them before the hearing, and they did complete those adjustments.
Okay. All right, so move on to cost, service study, and rate design with Alex Hanna. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
And is the cost, service study, and rate design exhibit complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Any comments?
I have no comments at this time.
All right. There we go. So we do have, it looks like one person connected from the public with a phone number ending in 004. So it is an opportunity now for the public to comment. You'll just need to press *6 to unmute your phone. So I'll give you a chance to do that. I know sometimes it takes a minute to get to the keypad nowadays. All right, not seeing you unmute. So just want to remind everyone, there's still an opportunity to file a written comment. Just want to check our notice of hearing on how to do that. Otherwise, I can stop the screen share. And I'll ask, anyone have anything else to add or any outstanding issues we need to address before we adjourn? Nothing? All right. Well, thanks very much. We're adjourned. Take care.
Thank you.
All right.